welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for November 8, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:31 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:37 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, the lovely crescent moon, 22% illuminated, is less than halfway up in the southeast and 9.9 degrees to the upper right of brilliant Venus. They are too far apart to fit into the same binocular field of view. Tomorrow the pair is in the same field of view with the star Xania, 5.1 degrees to the lower left of Venus this morning. The moon is displaying earthshine, reflected sunlight from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land that gently illuminates the lunar night between the cusps or horns. Venus is noticeably farther eastward against the Virgo starfield each morning. Its conjunction with Spica, nearly 25 degrees to Venus lower left and almost 10 degrees above the horizon at this hour, on the 29th. Bright Jupiter is over 5 degrees above the west-northwest horizon at this hour, after his all-night trek westward. The Venus-Jupiter gap is over 140 degrees this morning. On December 10th, they are 180 degrees. Afterward, Jupiter sets before Venus rises. In the evening sky, Mercury and Mars are not visible. Mercury is moving toward its greatest separation from the Sunday, December 4th. During this apparition, it suffers from a poorly inclined ecliptic, the solar system's plane, during the early evening hours. It stands low in the southwest after sundown. Mars is moving toward solar conjunction November 17. NASA JPL pauses command communications with Mars probes when the red planet is within 2 degrees of the Sun. The hiatus occurs November 11 to 25. There is great concern that operational commands might be affected by the Sun's electromagnetic effects. Some probes record data for later transmission while other instruments continue to send data. While the spacecraft are largely idle, like shutting down to go to the beach, the controllers may do that. Saturn is over 30 degrees above the southeastern horizon after nightfall. While its retrograde has ended, the planet still seems stationary, 6.7 degrees to the upper left of Deneb Alchdi. As it picks up eastward speed, it moves in the general direction of Skate, the Aquarian's leg and Lambda Aquarii. The ringed wonder is nearly 20 degrees to the upper right of the star Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish. Saturn is south over 2 hours after sundown. It sets in the west-southwest around midnight. An hour after sundown, Jupiter is nearly 15 degrees up in the east. Wait another hour to see it higher in the sky. The planet is retrograding in front of Aries. It is west of an imaginary line from Hamel to Menkar. During the night, Jupiter is south around midnight and low in the western sky during morning twilight. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.